So the Slattery Auctions and Valuations Conference is run in the Hunter. We do it over 2 days. And the primary purpose is to teach our clients a little bit about what we know, the holes in the market and the opportunities that exist for them, as well as highlighting the different asset classes, what's interesting, what is selling, what is not selling so well. And so at the end of the 2 days, they're better able to go back and engage with their customers and clients with some product knowledge, as well as have a bit of fun during the 2 days.
And what is unique about it is it brings together everyone in the supply chain. And that's a really critical thing to do, whether that's from light vehicles all the way up to heavy machinery. The industry really gets together and understands that full supply chain.
The speakers are always informative. I think Martin is particularly good, and I've had the opportunity to have him present a few times and always walk away with some new insights and understandings of what's going on in the marketplace.
Slattery's run a fantastic conference. The insights that we gain out of this and use that information and those insights when we're assessing new customers and looking at equipment is invaluable. They're a partner of the NAB, and they always will be, just due to the valuable insights that they supply us.
There's two of us here, still being the BDM from Melbourne, myself being New South Wales, and our recommendation is probably sending it to the rest of our group when we go back.
It's always just great where people can pick up a phone because they've met someone at a Slattery's conference and say, hey, this is a problem that I've got, how would you have solved this? Or you mentioned this last time we caught up, how do I fix this problem? And there really is this collegial nature, and this sort of breaks down some of those barriers, which I think is really exciting, not just for the people that attend, but also for us.